Hey everyone, I have a yarn haul. It's Monday night and my Hirschner's order came in. Unfortunately, they did not have all the colors that I needed, but the main reason I went there is because they're usually like $1 a skein cheaper than Premier, and also they give you a 3-pack, which is like a huge discount. It's like $10.97 versus, Premier at $4.99 a skein. But I wanted to get some of the prettier, different yarns that I haven't worked with on the parfait chunky stuff. But first, I am horrible about this. I had a couple of people send me some very nice gifts, and unfortunately, I ruined Barbara's surprise. She got me the Mama Made Minis Lovey book, and I had already purchased it for myself, and she had already ordered it and sent it out. And then my video comes up, and I am so sorry, Barbara, that I ruined your surprise, but this was so thoughtful of you to do. So I have 2 of these now. So if I wear one out, I have another. Also in her package, she sent me this gorgeous zipper pouch. Great for your hooks and stuff. If you want to take it and travel with it. A couple of pins. Aren't they cute? Look at these. Like it's a stylus type on the bottom and then a regular pin. But these are just great, And this, I will admit, I was not sure what it was. I thought maybe it was a little mini whiteboard, but it is a little magnetic case. So like if you had, like pins or whatever, and it would hold it for when you're traveling. But I had no clue what it was. She had to tell me. So thank you so much, Barbara. That was so nice of you. And then today, I had Jenna go check the P.O. box. And what a surprise I got. My friend Caroline from the Love of Crochet, she sent me something really cool to set up at the markets with. And I had been looking at some, but I didn't take the leap. So now I don't have to because she took the leap for me. But she sent me a claw machine. And this claw machine, once I figure out how to put it together, it says that it plays music and it lights up and you put the little mini toys in it, and whatever you charge. Like a couple of people I've seen, it's like $5. You play to your win and you have little mini plushies in it. So this is super cool. Thank you so much, Caroline. I really, really appreciate this. I can't wait to sit down and try and put it together. I hope it has good instructions. So I spent my day working on a pattern. I bought a pattern. I did not buy the recommended pattern. I'm not going to show you what this is until the next video. But I work up this pattern that I did purchase, and I get to the top, and I don't like how it's finished off. So I have to cut that part off, start over, work on it some more. And of course, I don't have the felt eyes, and so I crocheted some eyes, and well, you'll just have to see. But I felt like I wasted my entire day working on these because they're just funny looking. Maybe they're supposed to look like that, but they're just funny looking. And then I was like upset with myself because today was going to be the day that I was going to go through all my stuff to see what I have and what I need to make. Because as several someones have commented, I have a lot of big things. I need to work on the 15 and under items. So I have 4 totes full. And then a box of not so hot type plushies that I'm going to put in a clearance basket. But I have 4 totes. I made a list, and I knew I needed to make some sea turtles, but I didn't realize how desperately I need to make sea turtles. So I'm going to be working on some sea turtles. So I'm really glad I got this new yarn in because I'll get to play with the shell colors. So let's see what Hirschner sent me. And did they send it all, or is it anything in back order? Because they're famous for back order stuff. Doesn't look like it. Okay, got some advertisements, some paper. And some of these I have never even actually seen in real life before. I've only seen it in other people's videos. But, oh my goodness. I ordered some Premier Bloom chenille. And I got Buttercup. And Marigold. Now these only have 87 yards. And that's probably why I didn't purchase them before, because they do cost more than the regular Parfait Chunky. And you get so much less. So, and I'm cheap. I'll admit it, I am cheap. I have a hard time paying that much for that little bit of yardage. So then I got Tulip. It's pretty pink. And Begonia. I like that color. These are going to make some pretty turtles. And Cherry Blossom. Oh, that feels so nice. And Forget Me Not. Okay, I think that's it on that kind. Well, then I was like, I got to try some pom-pom too. And these they had in a 3-pack. This they didn't have in a 3-pack. But these they had in a 3-pack, so I bought the 3-pack on these. And I got Neon Nights. All that crinkling you hear is Toby playing in the paper. And oh my goodness. Electric Blue. And Caramel Crunch. So that was it on their like specialty type yarns. So then I got a couple of other colors, but they didn't have everything that I needed. But they did have some that I definitely needed. So I wasn't out of this color, but I use a lot of it, especially now that I'm going to be making peanuts. So I got a 3-pack of the toffee. And a 3-pack of the cream. You know, and sometimes I will use this cream instead of the white because the white, I don't know. I need some good white. My white has been just awful. So is my orange and the couple of yellows that I had. I've had quite a few lately that when I'm pulling them out, it's like, ooh, these I must have bought when they were having issues because they're really tough to work with. So they didn't have any Poppy available, so I ordered Cardinal. And that's a nice color red. I like that. Poppy's just a little bit brighter. And they didn't have any Sunshine Yellow. And online, the regular yellow, the one that they call yellow, looked really pale. But now that I see it in person, it's got nice color to it. So I don't regret that. And I did need this because what yellow I had, I used yesterday because I was playing with a different pattern. And each one of them looks a little different. but I'm finally happy with the way to do it. So from now going forward, I'll be doing it the way that I ended up liking, which you'll see those in another video too. I can't show you everything all at the same time. So then I got light blue, which I needed because I used the last one today. So that was perfect timing on that. And I wasn't sure what color blue I wanted to do the blueberries in. And cornflower I use on my blueberry turtles. But it's not the brightest of blues. This looks more like a denim blue to me. So they had one that was just called Classic Blue, and I had never ordered those before. So I ordered the Classic Blue. And I'm still not sure what color I would use on the blueberries. Maybe this one. I don't know yet. I'll have to think about it. But the cornflower does remind me of a denim. So that's all that I got in my box. That is $163, I think it was. Did it give me a total on here? $162.51. $10.65 was sales tax and 22 cents was shipping. This actually got here pretty quick. I just wish they would have had a couple of the other colors that I need. Like, I need a good orange. My orange is crap. There's a few colors that I need that I don't normally use, but now I'm coming across patterns that make me want to use them. What do you do? You can't have it all because there's nowhere to keep it all. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this stuff because my other order that I got in that I didn't show you because it was just a couple of things that I needed, which was white and a cornflower. This color I hadn't had before. Plum. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I like that color. So I had gotten those, and certain colors I just don't want to get low on. I don't want to run out because they're like your staple colors, you know, the ones that you go to all the time for certain things. So I think I'm gonna go make me some turtles, but I don't know what I want to start with yet. I don't know what I want to start with first. Do I want to try the pom-pom or do I want to try the bloom? And I only ordered one of each of these because I wasn't sure. I wanted to make sure I was going to like it before, you know, I invested a lot because it really does bother me the amount of yards that you get for the amount of money you have to pay. These three colors really draw me in because they're not mainly white. But these, oh, I bet you this would make a cute little jelly bean bunny made out of these. And then you wouldn't use too much of it, but I need to make sure that it's what I want to make because you don't get very much on it. So that is what I have for you today. Just my short little yarn haul and my happy mail. My really, really, really happy mail. All right, you guys, I will catch you later in the next video or right over here in this video if you'd like to hang out some more. See you there.